Namaste. Today I'm going to do the holiday wish scavenger hunt, which was initiated by Johanna, and I have tagged myself to do this scavenger hunt, and I'm going to go through the prompts. And as usual, whenever I do a scavenger hunt, I like to select pictures which are uncolored, and then I keep the tags in place till I finish coloring them. This gives me a really good chance to go through my uncolored pages and actually finish them. Otherwise, most of the times it is possible that maybe I would have not looked at these pages that soon. So I really enjoy doing scavenger hunts. Um, so let's start with this one. Um, the first prompt is lights. So I have selected this page um, for lights. The second prompt is uh, gifts. So for gifts, I have selected a page from this book, 100. Oh, by the way, the lights was from Happy Home, a Huga coloring book by Creative Heaven. So the second prompt, which is gifts, I have selected from 100 Easy Designs uh, by Coloring Book Cafe, and this is the page that I have selected for the prompt for gifts. The third prompt is sweets. For that, I have selected a page from this book, which is Delicious Desserts by Jade Summer. And the page that I have selected is this. Mm, the fourth is holiday dinner. Now, for this one, I had a bit of a problem because I personally do not like to color people. I don't really have many books where I have people. So, and I thought a holiday dinner would normally constitute a family and friends. However, I searched high and low through my whole collection. I couldn't find anything which would fit that description. So I have selected from this book, Creative Heaven, the Saturday Evening Post Americana coloring book, and from that I have selected this page. Now I know this is not the holiday dinner in the real sense. However, it doesn't necessarily have to be a Christmas holiday. Let's say this is a day in the summer holidays, and this is the dinner that they are having, a nice barbecue on their in their backyard. So that is the reason why I selected this. Then the next one is family and friends. Now, as I said, since I don't have a lot many books with people in it, I had to improvise. And for family and friends, I selected this page. So it's a family having a sort of get together with their friends. That's what I selected. The next one is gratitude. For gratitude, I selected a page again from this book from Happy Home. So, my interpretation of gratitude is friends and family. And though this page does not really represent uh, anything, I liked the wording on this page, which represents the things that I'm grateful for in my life. So, uh, that is why I selected this page for the prompt gratitude. The seventh prompt is winter, and for that one, I have selected again from the same book, Happy Home, and I have selected this page to represent winter because it's all wool and knitted gloves and stuff like that. So that is my picture for the prompt winter. Then the next one is palm trees. For palm trees, I did find quite a few pages, but I wanted to select something which was a little bit different. So I selected a page from Calm Color by Number by David Woodruff, and I selected this page. And as you can see, these are the palm trees. The next prompt, the ninth one, is harvest. So I had a few pictures which I could select from, but I decided to go for this one. This page is from Creative Heavens Country Scenes, Color by Number by George Tofikis, and this is the page for harvest that I have selected. The 10th and the last prompt is candles. I have selected a page from this book for candles. Here, this is the page that I selected for the prompt candles. Now there was a bonus prompt. It was holidays, and we were supposed to find a picture or a book that represents where you live. Now I didn't select anything to represent where I live. I have selected a page to represent where I am originally from. So I took a page from Beautiful Cities and Landmarks. This is a Color by Number book by Color Claustopia, and I selected this Taj Mahal. It's the most famous landmark in India, and I think almost everybody in the world recognizes this iconic landmark. So that is why I selected this one for the bonus prompt. So I hope you liked my choices, and I hope I'm able to actually color all these. I'm not going to put a deadline that I want to finish it before the end of the year or anything like that, but I'm going to try my best. But I don't really mind even if it goes into the next year, but I will keep these tags in place till I actually finish coloring these pages. So in one of the months, from November onwards, you should see these pages in my completed monthly videos. That being said, time to pass on the torch. I'm going to tag Amanda, and I'm going to put a link to her channel below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so. And thanks for having stopped by. Have a nice day. Bye.